Dear students, today in this video lecture, we will discuss about some example of backtracking approach. So, in backtracking approach, first we construct the state space tree, node partial solution, and assess choice to extending the partial solutions. And 2 point is included in the state space tree diagram. Now explore the state space tree using the depth first search and prune. DFS stop exploring the subtrees rooted at nodes that cannot lead the solution and backtrack to such a node's parent to continue the search. For example, NQN problem. For example, NQN problem. Suppose place n queues on n by n chessboard so that no two of them are the same row and same column are diagonal. This is the criteria of placing n queued problem in the n by n chessboard. To show, here create the n by n. Suppose n equal to 4 queen problem. Therefore, we draw the 4 by 4, 4 row and 4 column chessboard. Now, first queen 1 placed in the row 1, second queen 2 placed in the row 2, and queen 3 is placed in the row 3, and queen 4 placed in row 4. So, according to the definition, first queen has place position in row 1 and column 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, and 4 possibility of placing of queen first. So, initial initial suppose we have only 4 by 4 chessboard. Now first we store place the queen in the first column and first row. Now the second queen have placed 1, 2, 3, 4, but 1 we cannot place because same column cannot place the same queen, cannot place the queen, and second column cannot place because diagonally attack the queen. So we place the option 3 and 4. Now we place q in 3 and 4 column. In 3 column we can easily place. After placing the queen 3, then we third queen place column 2 and 4. So in 2 and 4, the second queen attack the diagonally, therefore we cannot find the solution. Now backtrack. The queen placed in third position, second queen placed in the fourth column. After placing the second queen in fourth column, we place the third queen. We have three options, 2 column and 3 column. But we can easily place in 2, but in 3 is diagonally attack. So place after 3 queen placing in the column second, now last queen 4 place option 1, 2, 3, 4. We cannot place because each queen attack या तो diagonally या तो column wise या तो wise. So we cannot achieve the solution. So we travel and go to the in initial chessboard and place the value of queen first column to second column. Now placing the queen first in the second column. After placing the queen first in the second column, we have three options for placing of second queen, column 1, 3, 4. If we place the column 1, then diagonally attack, therefore backtrack. If place the column 2, diagonally attack, then backtrack. Same column, then backtrack. If placed in column 3, diagonally attack, then backtrack. Now, we place second queen in the fourth column. Second row and fourth column. It can easily placed. After placing the second queen, we place the third queen. We have option first column, in third row, first column and third column. In third column, violate the rule, so we place the third queen in the third row, first column. After placing the third queen, we place the fourth queen. We have only option third column, so fourth queen is placed third and we find the solution. This is the state space tree diagram of 4-queen problem solution. Similarly, be using the backtracking approach, we draw the tree space diagram of Hamiltonian circuit problem. First, we define the definition of Hamiltonian circuit problem. It means we travel from one node to all other nodes exactly once and cannot repeat the node and travel one node to all node and find the Hamiltonian circuit. सपोज एक नोड से स्टार्ट करते हैं, सभी नोड ट्रैवल करते हैं एग्जैक्टली वन में और कोई एज बार रिपीट ना हो, नोड रिपीट ना हो और हम ए पे रिपीट होते थे, इट इज नोन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट. सपोज वी फाइंड द सोर्स नोड इज ए. सो फर्स्ट we travel A to B. We have option from B to C and F. If we travel C, we have option D and E. If we travel D and E, so option have E and E to travel F. Dead end and not find the solution. Similarly, if we select C to E, then E option have D and F. We cannot find the solution and dead end dead. Suppose we travel A to B and B option select from F, F select from E and E select from C, C select from D and D select from A. So one solution can find achieved in this path. So Hamiltonian circuit is equal to A to B, B to F, F to E, E to C and C to D, D to A. It is the one solution of Hamiltonian circuit problem. It is the tree space diagram. Next example of the backtracking approach is subset sum problem. As our last example we consider a subset sum problem. Find subset A given a set A1 to an and positive integer whose sum is equal to given positive integer D. For example, A equal to set of 1, 2, 5, 6, 8 and D equal to 9. There are two solutions, 1, 2, 6 and 1, 8. Of course, some instance this problem may have no solution. It convenient to sort sets element in increasing order, so will we assume that A1 less than A2 less than dash 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 AM in increasing order. So according to this subset sum problem, we draw the tree space diagram. In initial, we select the value empty. Now, for example, is given set of instance A equal to 3, 5, 6, 7 and D equal to 15. We create the set of sum equal to 15 and draw the tree space diagram. First, we select 3 element with 3 and without 3. We have only two options. If we select 3 or not select 3. If we select 3 with 3, then we achieve the sum equal to 3. Now next option, after 3 selection, 5 we have select or not. If we select the 5 element, then achieve 8. After selection of 5, we have option 6 with 6 and without 6. If we select the with 6, achieve the 14. Now next element is 7. 14 plus 7, 21 is greater than 15. Therefore, backtrack approach, we cannot find the solution. Now we go to the branch without of 6. Without of 6, we after option 7, we select 7. With 7, we find the sum of the solution equal to 15. Here we find the solution means 3, 5 and 7. It is the one solution of the subtraction problem. And without 7, backtrack, no functions. Similarly, in with the selection of 3, we go to the branch of without. We go to the without of 5, and without of 5 equal to achieve the 3. After 5 we select with 6 and without 6. With 6 equal to 9. 9 plus 7 equal greater than 15. We therefore not achieve the solution set of subset problem, so we backtrack. And after this branch without of 6, we also not find the solution. We go to the backtrack of the root 0. Now similarly, we go to the without of 3, and without of 3 achieve total number of sum equal to 0, with 5, without 5, and no find solution. Therefore, is the three-space diagram only find only one solution for the given set 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5 comma 7. It is provide the sum of 50. It is the example of backtrack.